Please. I don't want to be your lover.
But you are my sex slave. Chelsea, I want you to help me now. Restrain this officer.
This is not gonna work. I'm gonna call back up. This is not gonna work. This isn't.
Hold
Hey,
it for me.
you let me go. Do you know you can get in trouble for this, lady?
I'm gonna hypnotize you now.
Yeah, you're gonna give me that psycho hypnotist bullshit. That's not gonna get it.
I want you to watch the crystal.
I don't think so. You can't hypnotize me, bitch.
You're
I'm
gonna
a cop.
be my sex slave.
I don't think so. It's not gonna work. I'm a cop. I've seen it all.
Watch the crystal.
It's not gonna
It
work.
has special powers. You won't be able to take your eyes off of it.
It's not gonna work.
Your eyes
No.
are feeling very heavy.
This is not gonna
You
work.
can't control yourself any longer. Pretty soon you're going to be under my powers and you're going to
This
be my
is not
sex
gonna-
slave.
This is not gonna work. No, I gotta call
Your
back.
eyes are very heavy,
No, this isn't gonna
very sleepy.
work.
Don't you love my crystal?
I love your crystal.
Don't forget you call me Mistress Renee.
Yes, Mistress Renee.
Okay, why don't we help our dear little police officer sit down here on the couch so I can give her her instructions on
Yes,
being my
Mistress
little
Renee.
sex slave. It's very simple how we work around here. You're now my sex slave,
Yes,
and I am Mistress Renee.
yes, Mistress Renee.
That's how you will address me whenever I give you any command or tell you to do anything or anything like that. You're going to call me Mistress Renee.
Yes, Mistress Renee.